All right, Aaron Parker, Parker Safes and Vaults. Just want to show you this RF series. This is brand new American Security. Matter of fact, we're unboxing safes right now. But this has a Group 1 lock on it. And that's really what I wanted to show you, was how to do a Group 1 lock. We just recently did a video on a Group 2. Group 1s are just a little bit different. But this is the American Security RF series, textured black with no logos. So I've already cycled through 2 numbers of the 3-number combination, and that's just like you would normally do on a Group 2. But then what we're going to do is go to our last number here, which I think was that, and then on our way back we're going to just stop at 0 right there. So once we stop at 0, we're going to push in, straight in, and then just let it pop back out, and then continue to go until we hit a stopping point. That stopping point raises the locking bolt up out of the way of the bolt works. And that whole sequence there, basically what we're doing is we're kind of protecting the, or the reason it's a Group 1 is we're protecting the contact points. So we've got like a little device that kind of rides over the contact points so that the bad guys couldn't feel those contact points and manipulate it open. It's really hard to do anyway, but this is the idea, is they just can't feel the contact points. So then the difference would be to push in and then let out at 0 as you're moving from your last number to the right to your stopping point. So in between there is 0. When you get to 0, push in, let it out, continue to turn, and that'll stop, and then we can open this safe up. This thing is super heavy, like surprisingly heavy. It's got a really thick door on it, and gosh, it's hard to do with one hand. But this is what the inside of a fresh American Security RF series would look like. All the shelving is there, of course. It's just stacked up, and it's just held in place by these little cardboard spacers so that things don't jockey around and all that in transit. But there you go. That's how to work a group. And this will just lock when you go to shut it. But that's how you work a Group 1 lock. All right, thanks for having a look.